Hello and welcome to Daily Insta Live Series 109 Health Hacks to have a super healthy lifestyle. I welcome each one of you who have joined my Insta Live regularly and watch my videos and give your valuable comments. A special welcome to first time joining Insta Live. Please subscribe to my all channels so that you can see the valuable videos. Hi, my name is Dr. M.K. Shivani. I'm a medical professional, serial entrepreneur and a passionate lifestyle coach where my mission is to inspire, guide and empower individuals, especially women over 40, to take a self-care and have a super healthy lifestyle. So in today's Insta Live session, I'm going to discuss about the healthcare tips lifestyle way. In my last video, I discussed those healthcare tips, a diet and nutrition way. Today is how you can take care of your lifestyle modification if you are suffering from any skin issues and want a healthy skin. First is there, your skin, you wear it every day. The way you wear your clothes, you wear your skin every day. If something happens to your clothes, you can throw it and exchange it, but something happens to your skin, you cannot just throw it, you have to modify that. So if you know these 6 simple tips which affects your skin and premature aging, you can take care. So no problem, even if you are having certain skin issue or you are compromising your skin saying that I don't have a time and my age is over, this video is specially for you. The first one is there, you have to reduce the stress. What happens is when there is a more of stress, it reflects on your face and then your face looks like a premature aging. It is a long-term effect. What happens in a stress is, in case of stress, there are maximum cortisol hormones is increased, and which is directly shows a little swelling on your face. Sometimes if there is more of breakouts, that is oily skin is there, or sometimes you can see the irritation. So stress directly reflects on your face in case of women. The second one is there, you have to do exercises if you are over 40, because everything is changed, metabolism is changed, there are hormonal changes, you have become more busy in your life, you are not taking care of yourself. In fact, your life starts at the age of 40. You are finished, means your kids are more independent. This is the time that you have to give a self-care, and even if there is a damage on your skin, you are looking little older than your age, you can reverse it if you start taking this exercise. Again, it reduces the cortisol hormones, that is reduces the stress hormones. And exercise, take baby steps. You cannot just sit in one place and do the house activities, or even if you are going outside home for work, you have to do exercise. Start with baby steps like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Just put your shoes on. The third one is there, you have to protect from sun. And this is also I came to know very late. If I would have known in my teenage, I would have taken the precaution. It is a myth that when you go into the sun, then only sun damage occurs. Even if you are sitting indoors, you are cooking in front of the gas the whole day, you are sitting near the window, then also you are exposed to the sun, especially the UV rays. And I will post that there is one illustration that one truck driver was there, and all the time, all his 28 to 30 years of work life, he was driving truck for 12 hours and his right side was always exposed to the sun when he was driving the truck. So you could see that his right face is totally premature aging because it was exposed to the sun, and the left side, which was not exposed to the sun, is not showing any skin damage. So even if we sit in the house and not exposed to the sun, there is indirect exposure to the sun, that is UV rays inside the house, and especially between 11 to 3. So use of sunscreen is very mandatory. to protect, because you will not see that sun damage within the 1 year or 2 year. You will see those sun damage after 20-25 years. So this was very important for me. If I would have known to wear the sunscreen every day like 20 years back, I would have done that and I would have looked more younger. But no problem, we have got so many solutions. The first, reducing of the stress that directly reflects on your face and irritation, and increase of the stress hormones gives little swelling on your face. Second is exercise is important. Third is I told about the sunscreen. The fourth one is their exposure to the dirt, exposure to the bacteria, and exposure to the grime. This is very important because we just cannot avoid. But if there is a more exposure to the bacteria, and you will find it very surprising, because we talk on the phone all the time, and when we talk, and certain times we talk, our spit is going out. It happens sometimes, and we are utilizing the same phone. So always see that whenever you are talking on a phone, you just keep little cheek away. Otherwise, if you are talking like this, there will be direct bacteria will get affected, and you will see many people have got mark here. So just see that it is very small thing to know, but always see that you use your phone little away from the cheek. And also the one more thing I would like to talk about, the bacteria where your skin get damaged. I have seen, especially in the women cases, like we have to change our bed sheets and pillows, and it is full of dirt, and most of the people, if they don't change their bed sheets and pillow very regularly, and lot of bacterial infection is there, and that will also cause a skin irritation. You must have seen that a lot of people get skin irritation sleeping on the same bed, and so cleaning of that is also important. Again, it is a very small thing, but it gives a long-term effect. Also about I told about the dirt, bacteria, and dirt is always when you are going out, even including the men, they don't use a cleanser. Your soap or face wash will not do anything. It will soap, the first of all you are not supposed to use it. You can use face wash, but for the deep cleansing, the dirt has gone inside, and that will form the clogged pores. So always use cleanser. That is very important. Otherwise you will see the clogged pores, and your pimple marks of youth will be there. And the third I told is the grime, again the oily exposure and all that. The fourth one is there, sleep is very important. If your sleep is not taken care of, what happens is, again, the sleep reduces the cortisol hormone, that is a stress hormone, and when there is a cortisol is reduced, there will not be inflammation. If you see that if you are not sleeping for long hours, means you are deficient of the sleep for next 2-3 days, you will see little swelling on the face. Why it is? Because this, again, stress hormones, that is the cortisol hormones, are increased, and cortisol hormones, when there is an increase, there is a slight inflammation on your skin, which is very minor, and you feel, oh, something has happened, okay, some irritation. But don't neglect any part of inflammation on your whole body. It requires some different treatment. So today I'm just talking about the skin, healthy skin. So these are the factors. And the last one is there, which I have observed recently, that if you are in the dry places or humid places, there is a lot of humidity in Bombay. If you are in a cold places where again there is a dry air because of the cold weather, like the cold countries like Canada and all that, where there is a dry air because of the cold climate. And in Bombay, again, that is a dry air, humid air. So I have seen that when you use a humidifier, and especially air purifier, I have been using air purifiers since 8 months now. I have seen that earlier, 8 months before, when I was not using air purifier, I am above 40, and a lot of hormonal changes. I used to see that my skin was getting dry than before, and it used to get dry, and every time I used to feel like washing the face the whole day. But when I started using the air purifier whole day, what happens is it removes that dry air and keep the air very fresh, and that has kept my skin not very dry. So it is again very minute. So these are the 6 tips you require, that you have to take in case of you have to maintain healthy skin. And see, all these factors are applicable for having a healthy life. Maybe the heart problem, or maybe the thyroid problem, or maybe the weight loss. All the 4 pillars remain the same thing only. The stress, that is exercise, attitude, that is stress free, and the rest, and the nutrition. These 4 are the foundations for your healthy life. But when I am talking about the tips, especially for the skin, I am just correlating how it affects and damages, because you never know. If you are not having these healthy habits and healthy lifestyle, it may affect any organ. But the skin is the most affected organ because you wear it every day. Something happens to your clothes, you can throw it and change it. But something happens to your skin, you just cannot think of throwing your skin. You have to be with that skin, wear that skin, and it becomes, if you are having any skin issue, if you are looking very old, or little wrinkles or whatever it may be, it is a dull. People comment and people know, oh, are you in stress? And it becomes so obvious, or you feel low. Why people are asking, is something wrong with me? So take care of, because that is the mirror. Your mirror is your face. So don't neglect. Even if you are men, the skin is the largest organ and it shows your inner value. It is your mirror, and that's why take self-care. So you can start using air purifier, because you want healthy skin, plus you want a healthy immunity now. So I have seen that air purifier has made me so comfortable of this problem, that is having of dry skin, and again washing my face. No, maybe you will not have dry skin, but definitely it is seen that there is some relation between the air in the house, means when, especially when there is a dry air and humid air, it directly damages your skin and giving to the premature aging. So if you want to look younger than age, use this. And definitely in the next video I will cover healthy tips, how to take skin care. As in previous video I covered the diet and nutrition, how it plays a role in skin. If you have got a skin problem, you have to focus on that. And today I have covered the healthy tips for lifestyle way. Now next time, the healthy skin, this is the way how to take skin care. Yes, you want to look younger than my age, so wait for my next video where I'm going to talk about the normal skin care and the anti-aging skin care, how you can reverse your skin aging. So don't get worried. Even if right now you did not know about the skin or damages and that has happened, you can change and reverse your skin issue and look younger than your age. Thank you for joining and for wonderful comments. See you and stay tuned for next Insta Live tomorrow. I am going to cover tomorrow 10 tips how to get a better sleep. I know that everybody is suffering from insomnia. They are not getting sleep, whatever may be the reason, but still you know that you are not getting a sleep, and if you don't get a sleep, that will affect in any ways. So I'm going to cover up 10 tips how you can get a better sleep. Even if you are sleeping for 4-5 hours, how to get a better sleep. In my earlier video already I covered how to get up early, but now with request somebody has told, okay, you told me how to get up early, but how to sleep properly? What are the tips? I'm not getting a sleep. So stay tuned for tomorrow's Insta Live. Thanks for joining and wonderful comments. Do not forget to share it, comment it, and join my all social media channels. Thanks for joining.